filming's not gone too well this week. Either memory card issues, forgetting to film. Rear spoiler for the van, prepped, primed, dropped, repaired, all sanded off, prepped, primed, lacquered. They need polishing, that's okay. These little bits for the ladder on the back, I'll try and get some stills off the other film so you can see what it was like before. This has all been sanded off, etch primed, and then I used that truck bed liner, just a rattle can, and then stop all the water and stuff going down. I'm just going to cap them off with these stainless steel button heads. So I'm going to get this fitted to the van. It's raining, so I'll film you from inside. See if the camera must have got bored and switched itself off. So I think you'll agree that looks better. That's that rusty scabby thing that was on there before. Happy days. Right, let's crack on with some. Bit of a mismatch today. They need to be made at some time. The dashboards. I normally end up cutting a hole in here for them to put the switch gear in. Freehand cutting never looks good. So years ago I did a mould of that should be the radio for the Mark III. So I did a mould of that, flattened everything off, and that was a switch gear for the guys that didn't want to change the dash but obviously wanted to put switch gear in. So I'm thinking of remaking that as a panel that bolts onto the front of this, just so it tidies it all up. Just put 4 fixings in, 5 fixings, 6 fixings, whatever. Then they can put all the switch gear in that, and it can just sit on the front here. So that's probably, that's on its way. The grills for the Mark IIIs, the old style bumper, that got ripped, repaired that. This is for the 3.75, that's that grill. Didn't quite have enough silicone, so I've backed it up with some fiberglass, see if that works or not. And then while all that's curing and doing its thing, I thought I might try and make a forged carbon, can you see that? Forged carbon air duct, one we did the other day, so I thought I'd just have a quick play with that while I'm waiting for everything else to go off. So I think this might end up as a to be continued. A bit bright. So we've laid that up. Seems to be going already. Laid that up. Next time we're in, we'll pop that out. Pop that out. Pop that out. We'll sort that out because I'm not quite sure how we're going to play that one, but we'll deal with that one. And then we'll pull that out and see how that forged carbon looks. See you next time.